Here are some of the peas we have this year. This is my cucumber trellis. So I have them on the outer side, and they're all different varieties. Here's a couple more varieties. Here's some peas I have on the end. Some peppers down there. And these are some of my tomatoes. This one's doing pretty good this year. We had a squash come back from last year because this is where I had them planted. I just pulled up my lettuce yesterday. That's where they were. Those are all carrots. 2 different varieties. And then these are my bush beans. Kind of excited for this one. It's called Big Kahuna, and I guess each bean could be 11 inches if you leave it on the vine, so it's pretty long right now. And then this is one that I guess you want to pick when they're flat and skinny. And these ones are almost about ready too. These are my squash. They're doing pretty good this year. I got another one over there. One of my sunflowers. My chives. And this summer squash is doing really good this year. I got some buds starting. And this tomato right here is called Tiny Tim, and this is its full size. They said between 12 to 15 inches tall. And these are the little tomatoes. They're like little tiny tomatoes. There's another tomato plant. This one's doing pretty good too. I also want to show you my potatoes this year. I put them in these cloth buckets and I have them tied to our grill posts. As you can see, they're huge. Some slugs got at them. Those are the flowers. I basically filled it a quarter of the way full with soil, planted the potatoes, and then as they got taller, I filled with more soil till I got to the top of the buckets. And now I just wait. They'll flower, and then as soon as they start to turn yellow, the leaves and the stalks turn yellow, and they fall over, that's how you know it's time to dump the buckets out and get all your potatoes. Alright, and this is my other vegetable garden. I decided to grow cucumber in a pot this year. It's actually doing better than all the others. Get a couple cucumbers. And it gets watered at the same time as all the others. So those little guys are my peppers, 4 different ones. And then those are some more cucumbers, which I have a string going straight up to the top. This tomato plant is called Champagne Bubbles, and the little tomatoes, I guess, get all ripened at the same time. And this one doesn't have any tomatoes yet, but it has a ton of flowers. These are my tomatillos. I never have luck with them, so we'll see what happens. They're blooming, but that's about it. And I have 3 of them here. Here's one of my tomatoes, which has a bunch on him. And this one is actually doing the best. Here's another one. That one is doing okay. That one's doing pretty good. Same with that one. That one's pretty good. Some more tomatoes. I think I have about 18 varieties this year. And then this is where I have my pole green beans. So I have 5 different varieties. And then they just have them go up the side here. And I add these posts with little strings. Because by the end of the season, there's like a wall of pulled beans that go all the way to the top once they fill in. I did some more peas on the edges here. This one didn't do that well this year. It got attacked by aphids. I've been trying to get rid of them for a few weeks now, which I think I'm just going to end up pulling this one out. And then I have some more peas down there. And then in this corner, I have another cucumber variety here. Some strawberries, some more peas, and then a couple more cucumbers here, which will go up and stay on this side. And here are the beans. And that's it. I'll update again in a couple more weeks. Thanks for watching.